asked the person when my laptop is coming. You acted so clueless. And you knew you already had it. I already opened it. Okay, charger first. I don't know why. Please don't do one of those short cords. This one. What's this? I don't know here. Thank you, mother. Come on, please turn on. You're telling me that this is something for me then?
So you're good for tomorrow?
Yeah.
Happy?
Yeah. You know what makes me even more happy?
On the phone.
My phone.
Let me take that back.
No. No.
You like to push it off, right?
Yes.
Always for
I'm
stuff.
sorry. I'm very sorry. Just cute. Just send me this something dead. Wow. That was usually, like, when I look at my phone, it wasn't dead. It's not
Usually it's dead.
usually. Okay. I'm not gonna make my big. I'm screaming inside, but I'm not gonna let it out because we're in a scheme. You can clean up this, right? Right?
No, you're supposed to be doing that.
Right? It's still a surprise, so you can just continue. Be nice to me. Thank you again.
Go away. You're ungrateful.
Love you.
Don't love you. So guys, that's it. Her computer. I thought she would be more excited, but I guess she's happy. According to her, she's not letting it all out. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next